one that got highlighted for me was getting to know about these relationship styles that we use when we interact in our personal life and in our workplaces.
What was also very interesting, very enriching was the debrief session that we had later. A lot of key points that were very relevant to us and to me personally for personal effectiveness. I think was very useful.
The activities themselves were extremely stimulative, which helped us find out aspects of us as individuals and together synergies of the team, which are harder to identify in a regular environment. Raghuvi was very helpful in terms of the insights that came out of the activities, helping us come back to the place and staying focused, but also identifying what was the objective out of those activities. I take back a lot from the whole session we had.
Firstly, I'll learn how we can work with as a team and how we can have that work into our workstation, and when we work with other employees, how we can share the details with them, and from these drivers and the emotive, analytical and the amiable peoples, how we can identify and how we work with them in positive and negative ways. It is interesting actually to get to know. It's like we knew these things in the back of our minds, but today we got to actually know about it.
Alright. Catalyst team helped us arrange and organize all the team building activities, and we were lucky to have Raghuveer as a facilitator who is just the right amount of strict and fun.
We've had a very good session today with Catalyst and doing the MasterChef game for the entire RNI team at Danone. I think the game was fun and we learned a lot as we played the game.
I thank you to share this detail with us, and thank you again. That was really helpful, and thank you so much for everything.
Thank you.
I should also really applaud Raghu for being a very nice facilitator, a very good trainer, and someone who made very key incisive points. So very thankful to Raghu and to the entire Catalyst team. Thank you.
Extremely thankful for everything that was organized, extremely happy with it, and looking forward to a chance to work with Catalyst team again. So cheers.